Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to add station labels with station offset and coordinates into an alignment. So I have an alignment here. So we have two locations where we need to get the station offset and coordinates. So to do that, I am going to select this alignment. Then from the contextual ribbon tab, you go to alignment labels. You go to here, add alignment labels. Then I want the station offset and coordinate. So I go to station offset fixed point, station offset label style. So you have to use this station offset and coordinates label style. So this is from the Civil 3D metric default template. So you can have these styles in that. So after setting this one, you can set the marker style as you wish. So I go to add. Now I want to select the center of this circle. So I have turned on center snap. So when I click on the circle, it will automatically go to the center of the circle. So I click here. Now I can see that label appears here. Then I go to here again and at that click here. So the label would be updated there as well. So I press escape now and close this one. So you can drag this label so that you can view both labels clearly. So you can see now you have the alignment name, station, offset, and also northing easting coordinates. So if you want to customize these labels, still you can do it. We will see in a later video how to customize this label style. So that is how to create station, offset, and coordinates label for alignment.